Hey guys, welcome back to Fixin' It, and today we're going to change the front sway bar bushings on this 2010 Honda Pilot. Alright guys, start by jacking up the car, put it on jack stands, taking off the front wheels. And this is the bushing we're going to replace today. It's held on by two 14mm bolts, one in the front, one in the back. But first we're going to disconnect it from the sway bar link, which is this bar right here. This one is aftermarket, so it's being held on by 18mm bolt here and one on the bottom. If you have the original ones, it's probably going to be a different size, and chances are you're going to destroy them trying to get them off, okay? Because this thing is going to spin on you. You won't be able to get them off, and sometimes you need to cut them off, okay? So if you're changing that bushing, chances are you're going to need new links anyway, so I would suggest getting new links. They're not very expensive and they're easy to change, okay? It's only 2 bolts, okay? So let's start by removing, I'm just gonna remove the top one because it's easier, but you could remove either one. You just wanna disconnect it so it's easier for the sway bar to move, okay? Remove the 14mm bolts. And take off the bushing, okay? You can just bring it over, take it off. All right, guys, this is the old bushing. These are the new ones. That's the part number you need if you have a 23mm sway bar. I originally got this one. That's for a 22mm sway bar. So I'm assuming the 22mm might be for a 2-wheel drive model, and the 23mm is for an all-wheel drive model. Don't quote me on that. If you know, drop a comment and let me know, okay? But if you're not sure, the original bushing tells you right there, 23. I threw a little silicone-based lubricating here just to make it easier to slide it in there and also reduce the chances of making noise. Make sure it's silicone-based because anything else would deteriorate the rubber, okay? Slide your bracket on there. Okay, you want to get both bolts on there started by hand, and then you could tighten them up, okay? Get in there. Now you can put your sway bar link back on. All right, guys, let me show you something. This sway bar link is shot, okay? So see, it's all messed up on the bottom there. These are Moogs. They're lifetime warranty, so I'm just gonna take this one up, send it back, they'll send me a new one, so. All right, guys, don't forget to reattach the sway bar link. I took mine off to return it, and when I get the new one, I'm just gonna throw it on, okay? So that's it. Put on your wheels, you're all done. So I hope this video helped you out. Like and subscribe. Talk to you guys later. Take care.